Hi, it's Carolina with Always Expect More. Today we're working on embroidery basics and I'm showing you the stem stitch. Ready? Let's get started. Start your stem stitch at the beginning of your line, making a stitch about half the length your other stitches will be. Your next stitch will start just to the side of your first stitch, halfway over. Then bring your stitch forward, going to the other side of your line. These stitches will be at a slight angle. Repeat. Next to your stitch, half of your stitch, and over. The stem stitch is a great stitch for curves, stems, or anywhere where you want a nice, bold, graphic line. That's the basics of the stem stitch. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome updates. Leave any questions or comments below, and thanks for watching.